In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic FAQ page in Webflow using Algolia Search. Start by signing into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to build your FAQ page. Next, create a CMS collection named FAQs if you don't already have one. Add fields such as question, answer, category, and any other information you want to display. After that, add several FAQ items to your CMS collection so you have content to work with. Now sign into your Algolia account and create a new search index for your FAQs. Next, connect your Webflow CMS content to Algolia using your preferred indexing method, such as the official integration or an automation platform like Zapier, Make, or N8N. After that, verify that your FAQ entries have been indexed successfully by searching for them inside your Algolia dashboard. Now return to Webflow and create a new FAQ page. Next, add a search input to the page and connect it to Algolia using the appropriate JavaScript library or integration. After that, configure the search results so matching FAQ questions and answers are displayed dynamically as visitors type into the search box. Now customize the layout, typography, spacing, and styling so the search results match the design of your website. Next, publish your Webflow site and test the search by entering different keywords to make sure the correct FAQ entries appear instantly. Finally, make changes to your CMS whenever you need to add or update FAQs. Then verify that your Algolia index stays synchronized so visitors always see the latest information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a dynamic FAQ page in Webflow using Algolia Search. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.